Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer TRX from Binance to Kraken in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, transfers like this are essential for managing your assets securely. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or switch exchanges for better rates, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring TRX in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Kraken. If you don't, head over to their websites and complete the verification process. It might take a bit, but it's crucial for security in 2025's advanced crypto world. Once you're logged in, start by going to your Kraken dashboard. Navigate to the Deposit section. Select TRX as your cryptocurrency and generate a new deposit address. This is your unique wallet key, so double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Pro tip: in 2025, many exchanges use enhanced multi-factor authentication, so enable that if you haven't already. Now, hop over to Binance. Log into your account, go to your wallet, and find the TRX you want to transfer. Click on Withdraw. Select TRX, and paste the deposit address you got from Kraken. Enter the amount you're transferring. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything twice. In 2025, transactions are faster but also more scrutinized for security, so ensure your details are spot on. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Head back to Kraken and keep an eye on your deposit history. It should show up within minutes, depending on the network. And just like that, your TRX is transferred. Finally, always verify your balances on both platforms and consider using a hardware wallet for long-term storage. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.